The main area inside of Walt Disney World's Contemporary Resort is referred to as the Grand Canyon Concourse. It gets its name from the sheer cliffs of rooms piling up through the center on each side. It's amazingly large in here. It's just such a big open space. And it's supported in the middle by a giant column. On the four sides of that column are tile mosaics artwork created by Disney legend Mary Blair. Mary was a talented and highly trained watercolor artist who graduated on scholarship from an elite art academy in California. She worked off and on for Disney Corporation for several decades and also designed many commercial art projects for different companies as well. Her main remembrance at Disney is the Small World ride. After accompanying Walt and Lillian Disney on a goodwill tour of Mexico and Central America in the 1940s, she was tasked with designing a ride featuring vignettes and costumes and characters from the different countries around the world. It's a Small World debuted at the 1964 New York World's Fair and is now a prominent attraction at at least 4 different Disney theme parks. Her artist style is very distinctive, using blended primary colors and a very, very easily recognizable style. The other place where you can still see some excellent examples of her artwork are the tile mosaics in the Grand Canyon Concourse here at the Contemporary Resort. As with any large-scale mosaic artwork, you could spend hours studying the different images of this piece and still see something new every time. It's just amazing, the detail, the colors, the artwork, and the intricacies of the paintings and the tiles on this column. If you look closely up near the top, you can see there are signed tiles by Mary Blair and the other artists who worked on the project, which I couldn't get a good camera shot of because they're too far up in the air. But one of the things I was able to capture was the very famous 5-legged goat image. Here's the door to our room on the left right there, 4237. So if you walked out into the hallway, I could turn around, look to the right, and up the mosaic mural, and boom, right there just above eye level, the famous goat with 5 legs. And the story behind the 5-legged goat relates back to an old story, legend, whatever you will, that I've heard from many artisans and craftsmen over the years, that they always tend to incorporate one design flaw into the image because no one is perfect. And that theme goes back to the Native American culture, the Islamic religion, the Quakers and Amish of the U.S., and probably other cultures too. It's still pretty cool to think about, though, and just look at the beautiful images, the artwork, the time and effort that went into this, painting and firing all these individual tiles to make this beautiful mural that everybody can enjoy for free just by stopping by and visiting the Contemporary Resort right near the Magic Kingdom. Mary Blair is a true Disney legend, and the Small World ride is a legendary experience at Disney World because it has a great backstory and an excellent meaning to it when you get to the end.